Hi everybody, it is April 7th, the day before a big solar eclipse here in the United States. We won't be going to the path of totality, but we're decided to build a solar viewer to see if we can observe a 70-75% reduction in the sun tomorrow. What you will be needing is a very long hollow object that you can manipulate, and on both ends we found this beautiful long carton board, so hopefully this will work great. We also need aluminum foil, tape, scissors, some knives, something to poke a tiny hole, and a white piece of paper. Basically what we're going to be doing, and I just made a quick little sketch, put aluminum foil on one side, punch a little hole in it, open up the bottom, put some white paper there as the viewing area, and that's the whole trick. I will have help today from my son, and we'll be doing this together. As a first step, Johan has decided to stabilize the box some more. We're going to use this tape, and he's going to just stabilize certain areas of the structure. Okay, do some more. Do this here, nice and tight. Do it like me, like this way. All right, I think that should do it. All right.
I think one more.
You want one more? Okay.
I'll just use this one for it.
No, here.
No, it's just that small.
All right. The important thing is that this structure is completely light tight, so you don't want any light coming through the tube. All right. The next step is we're going to take this side and open it up. This will become our viewing side. Actually, you know what? We're gonna stay here next to me. Yeah, we're gonna cut this side off. We're gonna also cut this side off.
And remember, if these are not here, you may want to tape it a little.
Yeah, the size of this box. So see, this is going to be our viewing area. So we're going to be attaching this. No, that's okay. The important thing is, here, can you hold this? Can you hold this? Can you hold this? Can you just hold this? All right, so this is going to be...
Wait, Daddy, gonna have a little more piece of... Stable it.
Yeah, you're gonna put this one here on the bottom?
No, I'm gonna put it like this.
No, we're gonna stabilize this first. So now we need, oh, can you go inside and look for a glue stick? I forgot the glue stick.
Yeah.
So while Johan is getting the glue stick, I'm going to work on the other side. Now, why don't we just simply punching a hole in one side? We're using the aluminum foil to make a very tiny hole on a very thin surface that is completely light impermeable. So that will create the sharpest picture as part of the camera obscura principle that we're employing with this construction. So we're going to open all this. I think there's still some paper in here, which we obviously do not need. Oh, there's more paper in here. All right, I can look through it. I hope you can see that you can look through the entire structure. So now what we're going to be doing is take aluminum foil. And we're going to put this here and try to put
That should stick for now. Yeah.
No, don't touch it. Alright, so here's now our very tiny, let's go, I have these little corn poker. Let's see. Yeah, we have one that has just one in it.
Can I?
And what we're going to do is,
Where? Can I? Right here?
right in the middle. That's it, that's it. I hope this is round enough. And now is the time to make an initial check. Yeah, there, you see, look. You see it?
Oh yeah.
So it's working. Now, in order to improve the projection, we will add some white paper to the bottom of the... Alrighty, where did you put the glue stick? It's not a glue stick, but it is a...
It is a glue stick.
Oh, this was
Okay.
right with a little bit glue it. Right. So we're gonna put this one in here.
That was good. That's good.
Alright, good gluing. How far it goes. And cut the... That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. That's it. All right, viewing area is complete. Johan, if you can take the camera, we're going to try out with a very... Actually, you know what? You are going to... Here it is. Can you go and look? Actually, you know what? Move
at
the
the
camera
sun.
with us.
It's projecting on the
We're going to stick this...
sun is projecting
through here.
on the white paper,
And
and it's a pretty decent size due to the
see.
length of the contraption. So we are ready for tomorrow, and we can
I'll have to,
watch our solar
aim
eclipse in peace
at the
without
sun.
damaging our
Eyes.
eyes. All right, thank you very much. We'll see you tomorrow.